In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use forms in monday.com so you can collect leads, feedback, requests, applications, and other information directly into your workflow. First, create or open a board where you want form responses to be stored. This board will automatically receive all submissions from your form. Next, at the columns, you'll need to collect information. For example, you can use text columns for names, email columns for contact details, drop-down columns for selections, date columns for scheduling, and files columns for attachments. Once your board is ready, click Add View at the top of the board and select Form from the available view options. Monday.com will automatically generate a form based on the columns you've created. Each column becomes a form field that users can fill out. Now, customize the form by rearranging fields, renaming questions, and hiding any fields that shouldn't appear to respondents. You can also make important fields required to ensure you collect the information you need. Add a form, title, description, and instructions to make the form easier to understand. If your plan supports it, customize the design with your company logo, brand colors, and header image for a more professional appearance. Next, configure the submission settings, including the thank you message users will see after submitting the form. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click Share Form to generate a public link. You can share this link by email, on social media, through a QR code, or embed the form on your website. From then on, every submission will automatically appear as a new item on your monday.com board, making it easy to track and manage responses. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use forms in monday.com. Thanks for watching.